Today, I'm super excited to talk about a big upgrade to my home office. The TobenONE docking station really stands out with its sleek and solid design, making it a major upgrade from my old plasticky dock. It doesn't just feel good, it feels sturdy and high quality too. And it only needs one cord to connect to your computer, not a two-pronged setup. Connectivity is where the TobenONE docking station is truly amazing. It has 18 ports, including USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, and SD and micro SD slots. It is a hub that covers all your needs. I've connected external hard drives, SD cards, a mouse, and even charged my iPad and iPhone simultaneously. With 3 display ports and 3 HDMI ports, it caters to video editors and content creators who prioritize high refresh rates and resolution for tasks like video editing and color grading. TobenONE's flexibility in display combinations allow for a perfectly tailored setup. This dock supports up to 3 external 4K displays. The TobenONE docking station doubles as a powerful charger, eliminating the need for a separate MacBook charger altogether. With its 120-watt power adapter, twice as strong as my MacBook charger, it keeps my laptop and other devices charged simultaneously. This docking station is a comprehensive, clutter-free solution that's both functional and aesthetic, and by far one of the best investments I've made for my home office. So do yourself a favor and get one for you and your tech friend.